Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you this kind of like foxy pearly eye makeup look, and I'm also going to show you kind of like a Euphoria inspired version of it. Now the first thing I did was priming my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, using a Sigma Beauty P84 brush, and I'm applying this all over my eyelid. Now after setting my whole eyelid, I went in with this loose pigment, which is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I believe it's in color Icy if I'm not mistaken, but I will make sure to put all the products I'm using in the description bar. And then I take my finger and just simply apply this all over my eyelid. So I kind of press it in the center, and then with whatever's left on my finger, I kind of press it more towards the sides of my eyelid, and also kind of tapping, I don't really know how you say it in English, kind of sweeping my finger over my eyelid to kind of spread it out. And then I went in with a little bit more, because I noticed the more I do this, the less pigmented it is. Then I went in with a brush, kind of blending along the edges so that there are no harsh lines. And then I went in with this gel eyeliner from Maybelline, which is a basic black gel eyeliner with a Sigma Beauty E75 brush. And I'm gonna use this to create a line above the lash line. And after this, I'm also gonna go for a wing liner. Now, I personally have said this before, that I like to layer my eyeliners. If you really want your eyeliner to stand out as much as possible and it to look as black as possible, I would advise to first go in with some gel eyeliner, and then after that go in with a liquid liner that has a matte finish, and apply that right on top of it. And this is gonna really make your eyeliner as black as possible. So it's actually been a while since I did this trick on my YouTube channel, but I used to do this all the time. And you will see in a minute how black it's gonna be. So I'm just gonna go for a wing liner. I do have a video, I believe, where I show you guys how I do my wing liner. I will try to search it and link it down in the description bar. I'm not quite sure if I have it, but I believe I have. But if I do have, I will link it down in the description bar if you guys want to see a little bit more in depth on how to do this. So I'm just really focusing on making my wing liner look as good as possible, not only with my eyes closed, but also with my eyes open. So in between doing my eyeliner, I always open and close my eyes to see how it looks. Then I went in with this NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear liquid liner, which is a basic black liquid liner, which has a beautiful matte finish. So like I told you guys, I'm just gonna go over my eyeliner, and this is gonna really make it even more black. It's super pretty. This combination is really nice. So I'm just going to continue to do that. It does have kind of like a very thin tip, this eyeliner, so it's kind of like sweepy. Sometimes it's not really handy. I prefer actually to use a pen. For example, the Huda Beauty has a liquid like this one that I'm using right now actually. Normally on a daily basis, I always grab this eyeliner. It's my personal favorite. But I do feel like, especially for close-up eye looks, it looks less black, and it has more of like a dark gray and more of a shiny finish. So I did use it to create that pointy inner corner, but for my whole eyeliner, I prefer to use the gel eyeliner and the liquid liner on top. You can see how black it's looking right now, and that's the effect that you get when you do that. Super nice. So I went in with the Makeup by Mario palette. I went in with the black matte shade, and using this underneath the lower lash line, kind of trying to connect the lower lash line with the black eyeliner. So I'm not going to drag the black black eyeshadow all the way towards the inner corner. I'm kind of focusing only like in the corner area right here, just sweeping my brush back and forth. And then I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Super Nudes pencil, and I'm going to take the nude side and apply this in my waterline, which will make my eyes appear a little bit brighter, a little bit bigger, wider. I really like how it looks in the combination with this eye look. So then I went in with this lash curler, which is by MAC, which is a really nice one. It is very expensive though, but it's really good. And then I went in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is my personal favorite. I use it in almost every video. You guys are probably sick of me using it, but I'm that kind of person, like if I have something that I like and it works for me, I always stick to it. So yeah, that's why I always use it. Then I went in with this lash style from Ardell, and I'm gonna pop these right on top above like the lash line. And that's actually the last step of today's eye look. So I'm pressing it against my own natural lashes, and this is how it's currently looking. So you could just leave it like this, or you can go for the Euphoria style. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pearls, which is gonna make this not really wearable, but I know I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Euphoria. But I know it's really trendy. People are loving the rhinestone pearly vibe. So I wanted to do a Euphoria inspired version. So I don't know what I did. I just popped some of these pearls everywhere. Underneath my brow, above my brow, some underneath my eye. So this is just some inspiration. I know I did a poll on my Instagram story, and most of you liked the version without the pearls, so it's definitely more wearable. But yeah, hopefully this will give you guys some inspiration, maybe for a party or stuff. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I'm also showing you real quick how to remove those. It's super easy, just use a tweezer and they come off real easy. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!